CBFI 162 tons direct cooling block ice factory. Guangdong Fisheries rapid development demand for ice grows. CBFI built for customers 162 tons direct cooling block ice factory. Ice plant consisting of 4 40.5-ton direct-cooled block ice machines with a capacity of 405 ice cubes per trip, 50 kilograms per cube twice a day. Ice plant with large-scale ice storage for ice. Ice maker adopts full liquid centralized cooling system with high cooling efficiency and low power consumption. Recycling reservoir under the ice machine, reuse of water for de-icing, reduction of ice production costs. Ice maker one-touch start automation operation, ice making completion automation stoppage. During de-icing, the ice tray is lowered and the remote control pusher pushes out the ice into the freezer for storage. CBFI significant economic benefits for our customers and a steady supply of ice for the local market.